какие бы проблемы ни были.
Keep promoting your two centers that you have installed today, so that you will go a long way in fulfilling the needs of an organization that will come to the help of the Russians.
Тебя поддерживают, чтобы ты могла рассматривать нужды и помогать организациям, как организация, которая помогает здесь.
I welcome all of you in my capacity as the honorary consul of the Russian Federation in Goa and assure you of my help in whatever capacity I can.
Like a representative of tourism community, and first of all I want to say that we are fully legal. Company Tara Travel is fully legal. As somebody tried in some press media some months before saying that not, but it's true, we are open for everything. Actually, yes, there is some Russians who do that. But as I think it's very much not correct, and there are few of them, and hope so that our sample and all of our organization will help to reduce this as less as possible.
I can tell you there are several cases of this. Comparing to the quantity of Russian tourists here, it will be in this season 200,000. It is like zero. But some of defeated political crisis in Goa want to see in every crime Russian hand. They want to cover the own crime community by using Russian card.
Earlier there were some Russians who had bought lands, and the lands which were purchased by and large were within the provisions of Indian law, that is the Foreign Exchange Management Act and other relevant laws of Transfer of Property Act. But since 2008, no Russians have been buying land or properties in Goa. Now, whether it was Russians or people from other nationalities who had purchased properties from 2001 to 2008, those matters are under investigations by the Enforcement Directorate, and they will reach their logical conclusions quite soon.
Say a few words, since I am local. There is a misconception or perception that every nationality that comes from the old Soviet Republic is a Russian. There are several people who are not Russians. There are people from Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, which are perceived here to be as Russians. And the claim that you mean there is a lot of prostitution, there is a lot of illegalities that are done. This is not only by Russians. By far the Russians, I would not like to boast, they are a much better off country than the poor countries of Uzbekistan and Kazakhstan. And you should not merge all these things that the Russians are doing illegalities. There are Russians, like there are crimes being done by all other countries also, visitors from other countries. And also you must remember, as His Excellency has already mentioned, that there would be certainly a larger number of Russians or people from Russia doing some criminal act. But compared to the numbers, 200,000, if out of 200,000, 100 are criminals, if from some country which there are only some 10,000 people, you may find only one criminal. That does not mean that Russians are criminals, Russians are the... It is the big proportion of the Russians that are coming to Goa. And automatically the percentage of people doing illegalities are also be larger because of the numbers that are coming from this Russian Republic.
I had for 2 years a special conversation with Chief of Tourism Department in Goa. I said to him, it was for me and you, I said to him that some roads, some streets are not good, are not civilized, and so on. And he said to me one thing: our contingent of tourists from all over the world are not the people who searching civilization. In counterpart, they're searching uncivilized island, territory, uncivilized. He said, if we do civilizing of Goa tourism infrastructures,